In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a smart transfer inside of your Earn account through your M1 Finance. Once you're logged into your Earn account, you can click on one of the pre-set up savings accounts, scroll over to Move Money, and click on Smart Transfer. Once you've done that, it comes up with this Create Smart Transfer window. Your M1 accounts are interconnected and money can move between them automatically using rules that you set up. These rules are called smart transfers and they're available to M1 Plus members. Now, come May 15th, this may change, so we'll send an update video for that. But this is how you create. You can either do an earn over balance, an earn under balance, an invest cash over balance, or a crypto over balance. I do not currently have a crypto over balance, or a crypto account rather, so I don't have that option available. I'm going to utilize the earn over balance and set a maximum cash balance for your high yield. This is the account I'm going to use. I'm going to use my savings account. Click on that, and this is how we create a smart transfer. So this is our window, and you see the amount that you need to enter when the cash balance of your savings account is over. So anytime I have $5,000 or $1, it will automatically transfer $1 to my account that I select. You can move it from earn, it can move it from to the invest, or it looks like it can move to borrow. But I'm going to click on invest. I'm going to select my account, my Brandon Div portfolio. Once we get to this screen, you can see the end point. Now you see the blue boxes down here, add destination. There's a question mark at the top where you can click to get these tips as you're walking through this process, creating your smart transfer. And that's the way you can watch and utilize help along the way. So I'm going to select indefinitely, but there's also a few other options here. And you can always adjust this, always go back and change it. So it comes back to, once we've selected indefinitely, this is our review page. When it's over $5,000 in my savings account at M1, it will automatically transfer any balance above that level to my invest account that I choose. Once you've reviewed, you can go ahead and click on Create Smart Transfer, and that will take us to our next window. This is our review and confirm our smart transfer from my savings account inside of M1 to Brandon Div Portfolio. You can edit and change this at any time. I'm going to click confirm. Smart transfer has been created. Earn over balance smart transfer has been created. Anytime it exceeds that threshold, you can do it. So let's view the smart transfer. And this is how you can either enable it, turn it off. Maybe there's a phase in your life where you need to have it stopped for a time being. You can edit this at any time. And that's how you can create a smart transfer inside of M1 Finance Portfolio Earn feature.